Namaskar to my hard-working brothers and sisters. We have reached the final 15 days for this financial year. I know your phone is heavy today. I know your mind is calculating figures, premiums, and shortfalls. You might feel the pressure of the target, and sometimes that pressure makes us forget the person behind the profession. Before you step out today, I want you to stop. Take a deep breath. Let's reboot not your sales speech, but your soul pitch. Let us rediscover why you started. Think back to the day you took your LIC license. You don't do it just to fill forms. You did it because you wanted to build a new life for your family. You wanted that respect in society as a Bima Upadeshta, insurance advisor. Think of that one dream you promised your spouse or your children this year. Was it a better home, debt free life, or perhaps the pride of being on the MDRT stage? That dream isn't a number on a portal, it's a promise you made to yourself. When you speak to a prospect today, don't see a policy number, see a family you are protecting, just like you protect your own. Let's talk about the intelligent strategy, energy management. My dear friends, an intelligent agent knows that energy is more important even than time. If you work with pressure, you will tire by noon. If you work with purpose, you will be tireless until midnight. Today, don't look at the gap to reach your club membership as a mountain. Look at it as 15 opportunities to change 15 lives. Your intelligence has brought you this far. Now, let your emotions take you to the finish line. The struggle you are feeling today is simply the tapasya, discipline required for the siddhi, success of tomorrow. Now, call to action. Go out today not as a salesman but as a savior. Your clients need your wisdom and your family deserves your victory. I am with you in every step of these final 15 days. I am your friend, writer and trainer Pallab Kumar Manna. You can call me to my mobile number 9735869416. Best of